What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import players to a roster in MLB The Show 26. To download and import players from the roster vault, start from the home screen, go to the create tab, then select vaults. Now go into the player vault by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Here you'll find a wide range of community created players. If you want to find a specific player, press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to open the search option. You can search by name or sort by popularity to find top rated uploads. Once you find a player you like, select it and choose download. Save it with any name you want and make sure to save it as a new file. After downloading, go back to the home screen. Before importing, make sure the roster you want to use is loaded. For that, go to settings, then file management, then load and select rosters. Choose your saved roster from the list. Now go to create again. Then open roster control, select the team you want to add the player to, then go down to manage roster and choose import player. Remember, you must replace an existing player. Position player can only replace position players and pitchers can only replace pitchers. Select the player you want to replace, then choose the downloaded player from your saved files. Once selected, the player will be added to your roster. Finally, save your roster so the changes are applied. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and imported a player into your roster. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.